Hey guys!
Today we're eating noodle on Mukbang.
Okay, hold on. Hey guys!
Today we're eating cup of noodles and a bunch of sushi. I'm starting to love sushi.
It's been a while. It's been a while since we've been on here. We've missed doing mukbangs a lot.
Like 5 times.
Yeah, a lot. So we're really, really happy to be back and eating.
It's a little hot.
It is just a little bit hot.
And I got the tapatio.
Yeah, you got the tapatio, and then I got.
I'll probably get some of the. Oh, we got some soy sauce at the side and some. How's this called?
Ginger.
I
don't even remember the name of the rolls because we stopped at the grocery store, so we got grocery store sushi, and then the cup of noodles.
Oh, let's show them what we're gonna drink.
Okay, and then I'm drinking Perrier.
I didn't
or
even
Perrier.
Perrier.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking
Who mix?
Peach flavor. With some ice. Can you hear that?
Cheers. All right.
I really want to try the sushi first, but I really want a little bite of this.
Yeah?
I want to try yours.
What, the noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. You want to try it?
Okay. Oh, mix it first. Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, I already mixed it.
Yeah, but just take a little bit.
I'll show you. We'll put the pictures of the noodles inside the mukbang. But let's go ahead and get started with this one. It's just like salmon with California.
This is nothing. This is nothing.
It's not spicy?
That's nothing.
All right.
Yours are much better than mine. What?
It's good. I haven't had these in forever.
Yeah.
Did you put lemon in yours?
No. Can you put some in mine?
Noodles and sushi.
It's like the best combination.
Yeah.
But with spring rolls also.
Oh yeah. We were just sitting there we're like, what should we do? What should we do?
We were thinking to do like homemade miso soup, right? And the rice with some made up spring rolls. But I was like, no, it's very hot. It's starting to be summer.
Yeah, starting to get
Summer.
hot here in Cali. This one has like sauce on top, and then it's like California in the middle.
I'm sweating. The spice is nothing, but like how it's hot. It's so hot. Oh, this is fresh. I'm gonna go with spring.
The sushi is good. It's good because you know when you buy ginger. When you buy market sushi, like if it's old, like you can taste it and it sucks, you know?
Yeah.
But
it sucks. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. It's very creamy. It's creamy. Ooh. At the end, it's kind of a little sweet.
Oh salmon is like it. Yeah, it tastes very creamy.
Yeah, it tastes creamy, but this time a lot creamy, but a bit more sweeter.
Mm.
I'm gonna get a big bite, like honey bite, like the first ones.
Mm.
What? They were looking at me.
That was a big bite.
Which one?
That noodle bite. It's been a while since I've
Because I'm learning how to use these, but in a different way that I haven't done it.
You got a girl. You got a girl. Yeah, noodles and sushi is probably one of the best combos. Mmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I forgot these.
I don't know which ones to eat.
Do you need a napkin? Oh my
Maybe,
God.
yeah.
Look at this. Look at this big old napkin. Covers my face.
Mmm.
Put it back.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. This one's my favorite for sure.
For sure?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
It's flipped.
Mmm. It has salmon on top.
This is
It
tiny.
has shrimp inside, avocado, tuna inside, and yeah, it's
From here, when I look at the camera, I go like this, and I'm like, these are baby bites. But then when I said the big bite, I went like this.
We're hungry. I'm hungry.
We're all hungry.
You guys want a bite? Are you guys noodle lovers also?
Huh? I was gonna put it right here.
I asked if they were noodle lovers. This sauce on this spaghetti. From the sushi, from the sticky rice.
And this,
Uh-huh.
it's wet.
Bite.
I don't really like
some sushi?
sushi, but like the feeling in my tongue, I like it. I'm like, is that still counted as I like sushi?
I think you're getting started. You're getting started. So as you get older, your taste buds change.
Yeah, a lot.
You start liking different things.
Yes, because before I would not even like rice, and now I love rice.
Girl, you've always loved rice.
Well, miso soup and rice.
Yeah.
Because you would always put a lot of vegetables.
In the rice?
Yeah, and champiñones.
Champiñones in the rice, girl? I don't think I've ever done that. I don't know what you're talking about. I put cebollas in the rice. Like, have you guys noticed, like, when you were little, there was, like, certain foods you didn't like, maybe certain vegetables, and now that you're older, you tolerate more things?
Oh my god, my mouth is all wet.
From the sopa?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to make a video in Spanish.
Oh yeah.
I promised Livia que iba a hacer un video en español y no lo he hecho. So, this sauce, oh man, it is so
Which
good.
one?
This one.
I wonder where is it made? I think it's ranch with ketchup mixed up with soy sauce.
Mm. Mayonnaise for sure.
It is I noticed that from the color. Color. Over there, and our neighbors are like, there's like always babies screaming. I'm like,
how have you guys been?
what? Oh yeah.
What have you guys been up to? Today is a very special day. It's 7/7/7. It's like a really, really special day for manifesting. Oh, you want more? It's a really, really special day. Like, do you guys...
We totally forgot to write.
Are you guys into like spiritual stuff or follow astrology or... I love stuff like that.
Oh, probably the friends de la academia are watching. So
The kid?
From the event.
Oh, I don't think so, Mama.
That's still rotten.
Good sushi. Like these last couple of months have been intense. Like, I don't know if energetically you guys can feel like some type of a change, you know, especially like within your emotions or maybe just things in your life that are starting to shift. Having, you know, life really make you reevaluate a lot of your life choices and your life path and what you're doing. And I don't know if you guys feel the same way.
These are more yummier than the ramen place.
But I've definitely been feeling it. But if you guys are going through something like that, just know that, you know, like things go up and down. Like whatever comes up has to come down, right?
I forgot.
So if you're down, the only way is up, pretty much. So.
I forgot to tell you guys. We're in the car. We're going to a park. And we saw Rayo McQueen car. I don't know if you know it, but it's like a red car, and it has the 95.
From Cars.
In Disney.
The whole car was Cars. Like it was like painted on there, like the 95.
They're like race cars.
It looked just like the Ryan McQueen car from the movie. Like, it was so cool. I tried to take a picture because I was driving, so she tried to take a picture of it, but it went too fast. We're a little sad because I turned around so she could go, and I was gonna ask the guy if we could take a picture with the car, but we were too late.
Yeah. Oh. In the back, we have a bunch of flowers and plants. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Oh, 9. I have a cactus.
Mmm. Mmm.
And then you a bit more.
Mmm. Mmm.
What?
So good.
I think this is gonna be my last bite. I think.
Your last bite? You have 2 more. You have 3 more sushis. No. Para afuera, para afuera.
Well,
You have the door open?
Well, huh?
Mm.
Oh.
You have the door open.
What?
And the doggy wants to come in. She's like, I want a sushi too.
I want to be in the mukbang. I want to be famous.
She's pregnant. She's pregnant and
Oh, and she has her hair is falling off.
Like, does it zoom in? But hopefully you guys can see that.
I think that you should leave it there for a bit more time. This is gonna be a big bite. This is gonna be my last bite. Then the cup of noodle.
Mmm. Mmm. Get it. Mm. I think I'm gonna save these for your dad because I'm
I'm bringing you it up. I'm bringing you up, little honeybee. And I'm a pig.
I'm done. There's like a little bit of noodles. You want those?
Yeah.
Get it, girl. I'm done. I was thinking about getting dessert. I wanted to get some fresas con crema.
Ooh.
You like them? Oh man, it's because you're so picky. I didn't know.
I would want to. The other day, when you bought them one day, I was like, yummy, and I was like, I just ate one bite. And you're so picky. I'm like, I like it.
Yeah, I don't know what you like sometimes. Like, I just don't. If I don't know. You're just with you. I don't know.
I'm just eating.
I
can't stop eating.
This was really, really, really good.
My last. All of this.
Are you gonna put it? You're gonna do that whole bite? Ah, all right, girl. Dang. Oh, that's what I wanted. I wanted ginger. Oh, so we were in line for, like, checking out. And I saw the fresas con crema, but Evelyn, like, she was hungry. She was hangry. And she was just going crazy. Like, she wanted to be put in the cart, so I put her in the cart, and then she wanted me to carry her, so I'd take her out. Here she comes.
She comes.
Hi. Okay. Lávate las manitas. So I would pick her up, and then she'd want to be put back in the car, and then she would want to, she wanted to be carried back and forth, and then there was a point where she just wanted to climb all over me, like, and everyone was just like staring, and she was yelling, dude. Like, she's loud. If you just heard her, she's loud, and
I think this is.
It's like, you know, you get like those judgy stares from other parents, and it's like, bro, like, I don't know. I wish sometimes, like, And even from people that aren't parents, because I used to do that. Like when I didn't have kids, I'd be like, yeah, they can't control their kids. And now that I have kids, I was like, damn, I feel so bad. I wish I would have never, ever, like, judged someone, you know, because I understand now.
What's in my plate?
Get the termina, no, girl. But anyway, so that is why I didn't get the fresas con crema. Because I was just like, I don't even want to get out of line and then get back in and then be there waiting longer. I was like, no. So maybe next mukbang we can just do like kind of like a dessert type thing, and we'll do like fresas con crema and maybe like pan. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh, we should do a dessert mukbang.
Yeah. That'd be fun, huh? All right, guys. Well, we wish we could just keep on talking here and eating, but we're done.
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like it. You know what? I'm gonna do one last bite. I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. Yeah, you haven't even.
I did. Yeah, and I'm gonna leave.
Sushi. It's so melty. It's melty. It was every time it would melt in my mouth. That's why I was like. That's it.
You can tell it's fresh. Alright, guys. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys for our next video. We will be back on track once a week with our videos. Promise?
2.
One day we'll get there. That's definitely like a goal for sure. But
Bye.
anyways, bye.